Guys, can you send this link to WhatsApp chat? Because we don't have an access to WhatsApp. Thank you, Zubila. Okay, guys, how are you feeling today?
I'm good, thank you, and you?
I'm great, thanks. What about you, Dimash?
I'm good, not bad. What
Not
about
bad?
you?
I'm great as usual. Nothing matters. Okay, so we had revision for writing, yes, if you remember, on Wednesday. So today we have a revision also for reading and for listening skills. So specifically, we'll be talking about task 1, task 2, task 3, and task 4, I guess. Okay, let me do a demo. So is there any questions on writing before starting reading and listening?
No.
Everything is clear, yeah?
Yes.
Zubila, you didn't send me your homework.
Да, извините. У меня начались дебаты, потом ЕНТ сдавали.
Okay, so send it to me.
Я сегодня...
Okay. Nobody is joining. Let me ask first of all. So today we're gonna do lots of readings, completing the gaps. We're not going to do straight away. So I'll give you a time, like 1 or 2 minutes to complete, and then we will check. Okay. So let's start from the first one. Okay, so you should do it by yourselves, okay? I'll give 1 or 2 minutes. Please prepare your pen and pencils, then we'll check together. Okay, let's check. So, who wants to start? Давай, Zubila. You read until here, Antarctica, and then Dimash will continue, okay?
Я тут два слова не смогла понять. Ладно. The results provide insights into... Вот, не знаю.
Into. Димаш, есть варианты? Into. Ну, у меня вариант как how. How the polar.
How the polar ice sheet and changing, demonstrating definitively that small gains of ice in East Antarctica are dwarfed by massive losses in West Antarctica.
Dwarfed by massive loss.
Dwarfed.
Uh-huh. Any questions on the vocabulary here? Is there any word that we don't know?
Dwarfed.
Да.
Что такое dwarf?
Dwarf massive losses.
The result of
Не
white.
знаю.
Ага. Тимаш, you said something?
М,
Есть такая
Э.
болезнь, да, дворфизм. Вы знаете?
Орфизм?
Карликовость?
Да.
Типа мешать росту?
Yeah, so от слова dwarf, what does it mean? It means that like it was decreased, yeah? Or like massively, yeah? The number or something dwarfed. Like, there was massive losses in Western Antarctica, yeah? The ice, the gains of the ice, it was dwarfed, okay? Давай, Димаш, continue.
The scientists force the net loss of ice from Antarctica, along with Greenland's shrinking ice sheet, has been responsible for 0.55 inches, 40 millimeters of sea level rise between 2003 and 2018, slightly
19.
less than slightly less than a third of the total amount of sea level rise observed in the world's oceans.
Okay, let's see how eyes are. So, Zabila, you said and, yeah, here, but it should be are because there is a ing, yeah. Massive from a long found responsible level less the total amount. Okay, is there any vocabulary that you don't understand?
Shrinking.
What does a shrinking mean?
According to countries, along with according to Greenland, I think it means, and according to ice, I think it means adjective.
Yeah.
Also, I think it means melting thing,
Okay,
isn't it?
let's see the pictures. Maybe you understand.
Okay.
Shrinking. Shrinking. Okay, from this picture, maybe you understand shrinking. What does it mean? For example, you, let's say, add a water into the cell, let's say, yeah, there's a cell of something like in the microbiological level. Let's say you are adding water to the cell and you add salt afterwards and water goes outside and the cell is shrinked, yeah, it gets smaller because there is no water inside. And the same, like this girl gets shrink because she was like fat before, now she's skinny and her clothes doesn't sweat, yeah, do not sweat to her because she gets shrinked. Okay, Also, we can here it's used in the context like it also decrease in the number. Yeah, the ice sheet, the numbers shrink. Yes, shrinking ice sheets has been responsible for. For example, before it was I don't know some kind of inches, but now it's 0.55 inches shrinked from the sea level. If the sea level was like this, now their level decreased, yeah, shrinked to 0.55. Yeah, you got this?
Yes.
You can write it down in order to not to forget. Yeah. Okay, let's move on. Also, very long paragraph, and I'll give you 2 minutes, and then we'll go to check. Okay, let's check. So, Dimash, can you start? Until this sentence about patience.
Who?
Dimash, your turn.
Oh, okay. A new USK study suggests that temporarily
Suggest.
suggests that temporarily suppressing the body's innate
What kind of system our body has?
immune, maybe.
Иммун.
Иммунная система, да? We have digestive system, we have immune system,
Immune
blood
system.
circulation.
Immune system during the early stages of COVID-19 could help patient avoid severe symptoms. That's
Here,
because
let's please pay attention to your pronunciations, okay?
как?
Severe symptoms.
severe symptoms.
Mhm.
That's because the results. Да. Нет.
Have results?
Мгм.
Is it? ULTS. Okay.
Results just published online in the Journal of Medical Virology shows that an interaction between the body's two main lines of defin- different
Mm-hmm.
of maybe causing the immune system to go into overdrive in so
Uh-huh. Zubila, do you have an idea on the fair? Zubila, any
defeat
ideas?
defeat
Нет.
So this is about body, yeah? So I guess this is defects.
defect
I'm not sure, but I don't know the answer. Okay. Maybe causing the immune system to go into overdrive in so
in
uh-huh. Any ideas? Okay, we will see.
talk нет.
Yeah, we'll see the answer. Давай, Зубиля.
Может, там lines of defense?
Lines of defense. Yeah, maybe.
Потому что мое предложение есть такое. The body's first line of defense.
Yeah. That's why I always say that look at the next sentence, yeah, maybe whole paragraph, because there is an answer. If you don't find. Maybe defense, yeah, 2 lines of defense. Давай, the bodies first.
First line of defense, the inner. Хотя
Inner, там две буквы, да?
типа внутренний.
But here it's 3 letters are missing. You see? Dimash, can you help? The in. I'm not sure, but it might be innate. Yeah, it's the innate immune response.
Я тоже не знаю. Start, starts.
Rick. Starts. I said it will be hard. Okay, we will say then after an infection.
After infection line and infantry going after a foreign, да? Потому что я неправильно произносила. Foreign invader killing the virus and
all, может, да?
all cells damaged by in. The second line of defense, adaptive immune response, kicks in days later.
Kicks
days later if any virus remains, employing whom?
When, можно, да?
When. Да. Я думала 3.
Based
When,
later, да, про время.
when it has learned about the virus to mobilize
To mobilize.
a variety of painting,
Specials maybe.
Oh, Димаш?
a special, да?
Special forces, да, можно such something. Okay, let's check because it was really hard piece of paragraph. So this is defense. So did you say research here? Dimash, did you say research?
No.
Yes, actually research. Study immune early, help avoid research online. Okay, you said right. Defense, yeah, as Jubilia said. The system in some patients, it's some. Oh, really? It's some. Where is it? Okay, here. In some patients. Line, innate. Oh, I was correct. Right.
All right.
Yeah, right. Like
Oh.
after the any. Okay, this is all, but any. So
By it.
yeah, eat.
А
This
тут
is
in, да?
in. Later. The what не
What?
when. That's why we have to be very careful when we use what, when. They have like the same amount of letters, but they're in different contexts, yeah, about special forces. Okay. Any words that you don't know here, which is not familiar for you?
Innate.
Innate. Что такое innate?
Innate это прям языке... Как это сказать? Когда с рождения.
Yeah. It's like from the
Врожденный,
birth,
да?
yeah. What does it mean? Innate. Это сразу, да, the first line of defense, the innate. You have this kind of defense in your body. So in case you got caught some COVID-19 or some virus, this immune response will act, actually. So we call it innate immune response in this context in biology. But innate, let's also, it has very different meanings in every context, depending on the, yeah, it's natural, yeah, from the birth, we have it in our body. Okay, Dimash, you got it?
Yes.
Any other words that you don't understand?
Infantry, invader.
Так, infantry, где-то infantry. Ага. Invader, что такое invader? Есть слово invade, yeah? For example, during the war,
пригласитель, что ли?
one country invade to our country. Ага, что такое invader?
Судя по foreign, это значит, что человек, который характеризуется чем-то.
Invader, it is the like outside force that entered our territory. For example, in this case, the virus invades to our territory, to the cells, yeah? Okay. Sometimes we use it in the context like during the wars, the Russia invaded Kazakhstan, yeah, and they got caught people and fired something, yeah, our villages, homes, yeah. It's invader. What is it? Infantry? Infant. Что такое infant?
Infant school.
We have infant, yeah? We have babies, we have kids, and before babies, we have infants who is living under the...
Baby?
Yeah, it's before the baby, infant.
Before the baby.
Yeah, before the
Рождённый,
baby
что ли?
was born, he or she lives with her mother and his or her name called infant.
Okay.
Да? Это как детеныш, да? Like infant. Okay.
Okay.
Let's move on. This is also one of the hardest, not the hardest, but difficult one I took. Okay, so again, I'll give 2 minutes. Try to guess, or if you didn't find, don't worry, we will check it. Yeah. Okay, let's check. So, okay, one by one again. Давай, who wants to start? Забиля, давай.
And an international research
Research.
problem, что ли?
What can be here? Program, да, можно?
Да,
Потому
program
что
has,
problem это вряд ли, да, program?
да, revealed the highest level of microplastic. Even или ever? Even
Ever, да?
да, even
Это по-контексту. Ever.
even recorded on the seafloor with up to 1.9 million pieces in thin layer covering just 1 square meter.
Потом. Вот это продолжение прочитай. Over.
Over 10 million tons of plastic waste enters the ocean each year.
Окей. Давай, Димаш. Floating.
Floating plastic Floating plastic water at sea has caused the public's interest thanks to the blue planet effect.
Dimash,
Hmm?
what did Zibila read here? Plastic?
Ah, plastic where? Plastic. Plastic
Mhm.
waste. Floating
Waste?
plastic
Yeah, waste.
waste at sea has caused the public's interest thanks to the blue
Has
planet.
causes?
Caused
Uh-huh.
the public's interest thanks to the blue planet effect. Seeing moves to discourage the use of plastic drinking straws and carrier bags. Yet such a дальше забыли?
Yeah, you can finish. Yeah.
Okay. Yet such accumulations accord uh, for less than 1% of the plastic.
Mhm.
For less
That,
uh, than 1% of the plastic um,
that.
that enters the world's oceans.
I don't think that a blue plant effect. See, this is not correct, I guess. See what? Okay, let's check. So seeing, it's correct. Okay. Code, the project. This is project, Zibila, it's not program. But we were close, yeah.
Mhm.
Project program. Ever, yeah, it's ever.
However.
See 4 pieces. Layer.
Mhm.
Did we say layer?
Yeah.
Layer.
She said layer.
Okay, 110 waste code seeing use.
Тут код, да?
Да.
Вроде
What did you
calls
say?
говорит.
It's code.
Неправильно.
Has caught the public interest. Можно еще cause, да, сказать? They
Да.
cause public interest. Okay. And yet account. Did you say account?
Нет.
You didn't say.
Accord.
So we have the verb actually account for. Yeah, account for something. That. Okay. Any words that you don't understand here?
Вроде бы нет.
Everything clear. Okay.
Да.
Let's move to task 2, where we have to select the real English word, if you remember. And I gave you tips in the previous lessons. So we have to read it multiple times, yeah. Watch the spelling mistakes, watch out incorrect forms of verb or noun, and don't just guess, choose the word which you know, which are real in the vocabulary of English. Okay, so I took these words from the real Duolingo, and let's identify. Do we have the word like some?
Yes.
Done.
Yes.
Same.
Yes.
Yeah. Hober.
No.
Dimash, are you here? Just switch on
Yes,
your.
sure.
You can switch on your audio. Surzer.
Даже не знаю. Нет, наверное.
Thursday нету.
From.
Да.
Yes.
Birthday.
Yes.
Да.
Likes.
Yes.
Да.
The
Да.
cues.
Yes.
Не
Really?
думаю. Никогда не слышала.
The cues нету.
So if you have never met this kind of word, don't choose it. Okay. It's better not to choose than choosing. Okay. Red.
Да.
Yes.
Girls.
Yes.
Yes.
Water.
No.
Зубиля.
Даже, наверное, нет, да.
Okay. Table.
Yes.
Well.
Yes.
14.
Yes.
Вот.
Launcher.
No.
No.
Back.
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Yeah, we are correct. Yeah. Taste it.
Нет.
Waitress.
No,
Yes.
Uh-huh. Wait till.
no,
Не думаю.
Answered.
Yes.
yes,
Thinking.
Мгм.
yes,
Answer.
yes,
Мгм.
Watched.
yes,
Мгм.
And peace.
no,
No.
Wash.
yes,
Yes.
Watches.
yes,
Мгм.
Dressen.
no,
No.
Skirt.
yes. No,
No.
Okay, things.
No.
no, oh, yes,
Yes, yes, yes.
No. DVD.
Yes.
yes,
Bookstore.
yes,
Yes.
Watch.
yes,
Yes.
Tuki.
no,
No.
Ants.
no,
No, I guess.
Okay, let's check. So yes, everything is correct. Okay, next one. Other.
No.
no,
Really?
no, yes. It may be outer, but I have never heard about other.
Okay, I'm just confusing you. Soup.
Yes.
Seal.
No.
Orchid.
No, no,
No, I guess.
Yeah, I have never met this word. Older.
Yes.
yes,
Younger.
yes,
Yes.
Cruises.
yes. Oh,
No.
no.
We have clothes, yeah, not
Mhm.
cruises.
Mhm.
Tool.
No,
No.
Holiday.
yes,
Yes.
Birds.
no,
Satyr.
no,
No.
Attend.
no,
Вроде бы неправильно написано.
Да. Yeah, misspelling, yeah.
Мгм.
18.
yes. No,
We have
no,
18, not
Мгм.
18
mhm,
yet. Belan.
no,
Мгм.
Party.
Yes.
yes,
Zest.
no,
Мгм.
White.
Мгм.
yes,
Monket.
No.
no,
Really?
yes,
Monket.
Не слышала.
Okay. Let's check. Yeah, so we have soup, older, younger, holiday, party, white. Okay. This one. Grash.
Нет, не
yeah,
думаю.
no,
Think. Grash.
no,
Okay. Badminton.
yes,
Yes.
Dresser.
No.
no,
My chair.
No. Не слышала.
no, no,
Photography.
Yes.
yes,
Photography. Sore.
No.
no,
Rosy.
yes,
Mm, no.
Dimash, where did you see this word?
no,
What does it mean?
I think so,
Oh,
no,
sugar.
Yes.
yes,
Get tour.
No.
no,
Onion.
Yes.
Slow.
Yes.
yes,
Drunk.
Yes.
yes,
Fun.
Yes.
yes,
Lemonade.
Yes.
yes,
Break.
Yes.
yes,
Themselves.
Yes.
yes,
Spell.
yes,
And leave.
Yes. Yes.
yes.
Yeah, everything is correct. Now we are doing the same exercise, but the audio version. So it's a task 3, where you have to identify the words in English, but with the audio version. Oops, let me just add the link.
Grammarly helps make your writing clear and concise, no matter where you are. Compose a cover letter that stands out thanks to flawless writing and compelling word choice. Inspire your team with a presentation free of errors and spelling.
Guys, let me leave you for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes.
Okay.
Just a second. I have it here. Okay, guys, are you ready?
Yes.
Let me know if you can hear it. Слышно?
Мне да.
Димаш, слышно?
Да, слышно.
You the repeated information a test box that you can check. Okay, now let's begin our test. Usage.
Please write it down, the words, like word number 1 is this, number 2 is this.
Usage.
No.
Usage. Here again.
What did you say?
Usage.
Just write, we'll check then, okay? After 9 words.
Okay.
Irrigation. Irrigation. Irrigation.
No.
Hairdo. Chairdo. Chairdo. Tranquil. 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 Peninsula. 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 Refutation. 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 Per sound. Per sound. Per sound. Abandon. Abandon. Abandon.
Okay, so which words exist in English language?
Irrigation,
Uh-huh.
refutation, мне кажется, и profound.
For some. What about you, Dimash? What did you got? Have you got? Dimash, are you here?
Yeah, sure. Nothing is existing in English.
No words here?
Mm-hmm.
None of the words? Okay, let's check.
Now let's
So, these words exist. Usage, irrigation, tranquil. Usage это что? От слова use.
Использование. Или...
Irrigation. This is a scientific word. To irrigate. Да?
I heard...
Tranquil. У нас есть слово peninsula, как Korean peninsula, да? Что такое peninsula?
Что-то медицинское, нет?
No, it's about geography.
М.
Мы говорим Korean peninsula. Это как полуостров. Yeah?
М.
In Korean peninsula, there are 2 countries. It's North Korea and South Korea. Okay? Refutation, да, тоже exist. И abandon. Сколько слов? Сколько? Так, 6, да? But you said 0, Dimash, and Jubilia said 2 words. So you missed 4 words. Abandon. Yeah? Okay, let's be very careful. Next one.
be ready for the next test.
Давайте, be ready.
Referee. 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 Storyling. 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 Ingest. 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 Imparty. 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 Hesitate. 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 Suffragette. 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 Plaudit. 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 Negus. Negus. Vegas. Tornatua. Tornatua. Tornatua.
Okay. Any words?
Referee, interest, hesitate. Еще. Еще одно слово, но я не смогла написать.
Okay, Dimash, what about you? Dimash?
Referee hesitate.
2 words, yeah? Okay, let's check. Referee, ingest. Что такое ingest? What does it mean? Ingest. Guys?
Не знаю.
So it's about like digestive system. So you, for example, you eat some food, and in order to get this food into your stomach, you ingest it. Yeah, глотать, yeah, ingest. It's like digest. Сразу можно узнать digest, ingest, and they're similar kind of. Okay, hesitate. И вот это, да, suffragette тоже exists in English language. What does it mean? Это как суфражистка. I don't know what does it mean. But yeah, this is like a French word, I guess. It came from the French language to the English, but it exists. Plaudits.
Аплодисменты.
Yeah, so it exists, yeah. Okay. So I guess this is the end. Now, let's move to our slides. Oh, this is a very interesting one. So we have to type the sentence that we hear. We didn't do so much exercise on that, so let's do it. So this is also listening, but instead of words, you hear okay.
The next morning, she woke to.
So in this video, we hear 5 exercises, and it will be played 3 times, and the difficulty will be increased, yeah? Are you ready?
Yes.
So, check.
The next morning, she woke to the first ray of light through the window. The next morning, she woke to the first ray of light through the window. The next morning, she woke to the first ray of light through the window.
Okay, so we will do 5 exercises, then we'll check, okay, in the end. The answers are in the end. The second one.
Whether you want to admit it or not, we all wish everyone would like us. Whether you want to admit it or not, we all wish everyone would like us. Whether you want to admit it or not, we all wish everyone would like us. One may almost doubt it if the wisest man has learned anything of absolute value by living. One may almost doubt it if the wisest man has learned anything of absolute value by living. One may almost doubt it if the wisest man has learned anything of absolute value by living. The moon rose, and by its light he could see the dim form of the church tower far away. The moon rose, and by its light he could see the dim form of the church tower far away. The moon rose, and by its light he could see the dim form of the church tower far away.
Okay, so we are less time left, so let's check the answers. Okay, so first one. Zubila, can you announce the sentence?
The next morning she walked to the first line. Что-то там next window.
Okay. The next morning she walked to the first ray of light through the window. Oh, this is like from literature, I guess. Okay, the second one, Dimash, what is your sentence? Dimash, are you here?
Weather is reminded что там и amount which we all relax.
Okay. Whether you want to admit it or not, we all wish everyone would like us. I guess it was clear, yeah, вот это admit or not.
Да, дальше что?
But the end wasn't clear, really, like us. Третье, Забеля.
One male, что там almost a man, absolute value by living.
Okay. One may almost doubt it if the wisest man has learned anything of absolute value by living. How many words from here you wrote it correctly?
Так, раз, два, три, четыре, пять, шесть, семь. 8, да?
Okay. Yeah, the next one, Dimash. Word.
The moon rose is... Дальше не писал.
Так, это far away.
Far away.
Еще far away там.
Okay. The moon rose, and by its light he could see the dim form of the church tower. Мне кажется, вот это тоже clear было. Form of the church tower far away.
The moon rose? Как это понять? Росло? Цвело?
Говорят же, the sun rises. Да? Rose это simple. Moon also rises, yeah? In the sky, and the sun also rises.
What does it mean, the dim?
Dim. Что такое the dim? Это какая-то форма, да? Church, like from the far away, you see the like dim form, yeah? It's seen unclearly. like it's like there is no tower, but we see like the dot, that точка, far away. We call it the dim form.
М,
So let me show the homework. I will send it to you, listening practice of IELTS. So we couldn't do any section today. Just finish all the sections from 1 to 4. And also I'll give you homework on food. And I'll post it on Google Classroom. Okay. Any questions on reading and listening about the filling the gaps, choosing the real English words, about the listening?
этот listening practice, который
Mhm.
нужно слушать предложения, их будет много?
Let me check it. I guess like 2-3 times, мне кажется. But
Окей.
this exercise, choosing the words, not from listening, but reading, it's 6-7 times, I guess. There are a lot of practice for them. Okay?
Окей.
Еще вопросы?
No.
Okay. If you don't have question, we have to end the class. So guys, have a nice day. I will meet you on Monday. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.